Hello everybody, thank you for pressing play on today's video. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. You guys, I have a really cute card to share with you today. And I know it's Christmas coming up and I should be making Christmas cards, but I am always looking for birthday cards. So today's card is just a beautiful birthday card that we're going to put together. And I'm going to show you how we did that. For my card base, I'm using the thick Whisper White cardstock, and this is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And all the measurements for today's project will be over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So if you missed any of the measurements, everything will be over on my website. We have a layering piece, and this is in Lemon Lime Twist, and I have this cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And as you can see, I've actually die cut these little flowers, and the flowers come from the Quilted Christmas. And even though that is a Christmas stamp set, there are so many different things that you can do with it. And when you purchase the stamp and the framelits together as a bundle, you save 10%, which we love. So I cut out my 3 flowers out of this piece because I have a piece that's going to layer on top. So you're not going to see that I actually cut away some flowers out of there. Just my way of saving some paper. The Whisper White layer is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. I have a piece of Designer Series paper, and this is from the Merry Little Christmas Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 2.5 by 3.5. I have 2 pieces of basic black, and both these pieces are cut at the same measurements, and this is cut at 1 3/4 by 3.5. Then I have a piece of Pool Party and a piece of Soft Sky, and both these 2 pieces are cut the same as well, and this is cut at 1 5/8 by 3 1/8. So we are going to take our card base, and again, this is the very thick Whisper White. There's 2 types of Whisper White cardstock, just your regular and then the very thick Whisper White cardstock. So for my base, I'm using the very thick one. I am now going to go ahead. I have my snail. And I'm just going to attach that to the front of my card, like so. I then have my Whisper White piece, and again, I'm just going to attach that to the front of the card, like so. I have my Designer Series paper. I love this paper. It is so pretty. And that's going to go on the front. You're then going to layer these pieces on top. Like I said, I'm always looking for birthday cards. I belong to a birthday club, and each month I have to send out birthday cards. You're going to put one down on the bottom. Whoa. And you're going to put one at the top. I went ahead to save time and I pre-cut out the flowers from the Quilted Christmas in the Lemon Lime Twist and the basic black. And I am just going to take some glue dots and I am going to attach it to my card. So I'm going to put 2 up at the top. And I'm going to put 1 over here. I have the metallic enamel shapes. I have my paper piercer. I'm just going to pick these up, and they do have adhesive on the back, which is great. And I'm just going to put those in the center of the flowers, just to jazz the flowers up a little bit. Love it. The stamp set that I used was the Best of Birds, and I used It's a Good Day for my sentiment, and then on the inside I'm going to do the Happy Birthday. So I went ahead and I cut out a basic black with the layering circles. I then took my 1 3/8 inch circle punch, punched out a piece of Whisper White, stamped my sentiment, attached it to the circle, the basic black, and then popped these up on dimensionals so that my sentiment just pops off the page. And I'm going to add this down here on the bottom, like so. What a beautiful little card, you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. And again, if you missed any of today's measurements, everything will be over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. I have the Happy Birthday. Just going to attach that to my block. I've got my Memento ink. And I am just going to stamp Happy Birthday on the inside. You do the other card while I'm here. Awesome. The stamp set does have a little flower in it, so I'm just going to I'm just going to grab a little flower. As you can tell, I keep my framelits in the same stamp case. I use magnetic sheets, and that's how I store my framelits, in the same case. That way, if it does come with the framelit set, I know that it's in my case. I don't have to go looking for it anywhere. There's a little flower. I'm just going to ink the flower up. And I can ink this up in the black. I'll do a few black, and I'll do a few lemon lime. And I'm just gonna, we hate when that happens, but it does happen. Sorry if my head is in the way, you guys. There we go. What's nice about the polymer stamp set is you can see through them. So if you make a boo-boo like I just did, you're able to kind of fix it. But I really hope you'll give today's card a try. Super cute card. Love how it turned out, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care.